Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reacting to a how should have ended Justice League video. So let's get to it. From this HISHE video.
Everybody knows, Steppenwolf blows.
Superman, I must ask you a question. Or should you save it for later?
You guys really have a question?
Why does your mouth look fake? Hold!
Oh.
That CGI mouth is terrifying. Like, I did not notice it until I rewatched it again, and then I noticed his CGI mouth was horrible. It was horrible, and there was a recent, I think it was recently, there was this news as this one editor who spent like I think just $100 or something, and was able to fix it much more better than the 100 million and all that, or 100,000. A slap in the face for all the editors in the DC. Terrible CGI. Wow. Let's see. They should keep the beard, make a black Superman, and the film would be great. But for the sake of because they were rushing. That was the problem. So.
Mother, at last you called me.
Great job, everyone. This is exactly why we constantly train for battle.
Yeah, the Amazons yeah, the Amazons did really serious work in the Justice League movie, and nobody else did that. Just the Amazons. Well, even though one of them is Amazonian, but she didn't do any work that much. The Amazons did serious work. They are the good points of the movie. Steppenwolf was one of the most weirdest villain in the DCU like ever, because he keep mentioning mother, and if you thought Lex Luthor was weird, this is even weirder. And somehow, I think he's much, for me personally, I think he's much more boring than Lex Luthor. I mean, Lex Luthor, his weirdness was interesting, but Steppenwolf's weirdness is boring, because it's just about mother, the mother box, mother. No one's interested in that sheen.
You're out of your mind, Batman. I mean Bruce Wayne. I mean Batman. I came here only to do two things. Look masculine and talk to fish. And I'm all out of fish. Okay. So I'm gonna look masculine!
Aquaman is not a good Joker, and plus, ruining Batman's identity is just gonna cost you a lot of punch in the face.
We need you, Victor. And maybe you need us, too.
I'm actually already part of another team.
What?
Cyborg! The lives of the innocent are in danger. It's time to act.
Yes, there is an evil wolf that does stepping upon us.
And we're gonna stop him, or whatever.
Hey, Wonder Woman.
You guys are all ready to do battle, but I've actually never done battle.
Stab
Sorry, I had to skip that part. That's a nuisance.
one.
What?
Stab one person.
What are you talking about?
Be more specific. Stab that one, actually.
I don't know how.
Here, don't talk, don't think. Take your hand sword. Stab that guy. Do it now. Ready?
Oh, I am so not comfortable with this.
That was epic, but at the same time stupid, because it actually just ruins the name of Justice League. I don't know, like, to me, I don't know what's correct. not killing is justice or killing is justice? I'm pretty sure not killing is justice. Killing is basically injustice. Even though you get what I mean.
Right, now, let's go protect the mother box.
On it.
But what about Superman?
It's fine. I took care of it.
Oh, that's so sweet. I'm so happy for them.
So, how did you know Lois was the key again?
You told me.
Oh. When?
In the past.
Wait, what?
Which reminds me, I need you to tell me Lois is the key whenever you learn how to time travel.
I have a lot of questions about the things you
Just
just
on time that you're ready, here comes Steppenwolf. Where is my mother?
I am so OP. Now, about that time travel thing.
Great job, everyone. We saved the world.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Flash killed a guy.
Yeah, I killed Steppenwolf with a trident.
Yeah, I've been meaning to talk to you about that. You should probably stop murdering all the bad guys.
Now,
Is
anytime.
that not like our thing anymore? I thought that was a thing we do.
Well, we finally did it. We finally showed the world that... Sorry, your facial hair is just too distracting. If we could just... There we go.
Yeah, that looks better.
As I was saying, we finally
I guess
showed...
that's why they wanted to do this. Yeah, but you could have just put in the black Superman. Maybe that would look better.
the world that real heroes do exist. And now the world can be inspired again because we are great role models.
Is that what we did?
Not even close.
Yeah, I think we sort of rushed the teen hero story with a seriously divided Superman origin arc. Nope! The name of Superman is fine because I am a beacon of hope and inspiration.
When did you say inspiring things exactly?
Let's not go there.
Maybe the 80s?
Dude, I talked to that kid about hope being like his car keys. Yeah, you also talked about death being itchy and like really weird. Well, at least I didn't let my best friend's mom lose her house while I was too busy building a Quinjet. Hey, I bought your mom's bank right at the end. Oh, because that was easier?
Well, this is off to a great start.
We have to be better, guys. There are much larger villains out there than Steppenwolf.
Like who? Like Darkseid?
No, like me.
What?
Who
Oh,
is
that's the guy
that?
from the
I
series.
am your demise.
Also, one part I want to point that out. I think it was at this part right here, if I'm correct. Yeah, this part right here. What my theory is, I'm guessing the Flash that told Lois was the key was actually an alternate Flash from a different universe and not this universe future. It's just an alternate Flash telling this Bruce Wayne universe that this event is gonna happen. So he says Lois is the key. So that Flash is in an alternate universe, because that's my prediction. Because there will have to be like some sort of like, because at the time it only makes sense for it to be an alternate Flash rather than the Flash that appears in the like in this DCU universe. It only makes sense. So yeah. But anyways, back to this guy being wearing a giant belt that could nearly destroy his digestive systems.
I am your distraction, the slayer of franchise. I am Martha. Wait a
Wow, that's terrible.
Everyone okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Why the cafe?
Hey, how did Batman?
He was loved
yeah,
by me.
I know, because he's Batman.
It was, and you allowed it to be ruined. You thought your mere presence was all it took.
It appears this Martha's come from another universe.
Which universe?
Not sure. Looks like a unicorn.
I will destroy it all! If you refuse to world build, then you don't deserve a world at all!
You can't win, Martha. It's 6 versus
No,
1.
it's after
Make that
not
7.
Martha.
Yay, Green Lantern's here.
I'm a little late to the party, but better late than never.
Steve?
Who's Steve? He sounds amazing.
I'm sorry, you look just like my... Can I call you Steve?
As you wish.
Excuse me, you're too late. You're all too late. You'll never be the heroes everyone loves again. The damage is done, and you lost. Lost!
This is a classic
All
one.
because of the mighty Martha.
Oh my gosh, I'm so over this.
You
Martha
see,
thing.
you're
Just sleek
already-
huddle. Flash, you take Diana's lasso and bind Martha's ankles. Cyborg, you grab his arms. Aquaman, go tell all the tuna to gather all the jellyfish they can find.
Are you serious?
No, you help Cyborg. Then Green Lantern and Diana will take turns hitting.
I'm sorry, wait. Why are you the leader again?
What?
I said, why are you the leader?
Because I'm Batman.
I know, I don't care. I just wanted you to do your thing.
We don't have time for this. We are doing Bruce's plan, okay? Ready? Break!
You just got served. Some justice.
We Injustice. Yeah, you should call yourself Injustice League rather than the Justice League.
Oh my gosh! Have we learned nothing?
Hope I don't mistake that for the actual one.
You better not be wasting my time. We have to level the playing field, Mr. Wilson. To put it plainly, shouldn't we have a league of our own? Actually, we already have that.
Ah,
What the?
the
Where did you come from?
Republic thing.
Wow, this is amazing. I can't believe this is actually already a thing.
The
Thank you for
President-
inviting
I think it's
Oh,
called-
you
I think
aren't
it's
actually
called-
welcome here. Yeah,
It
I
is
just
a dark
wanted you to
one.
know it exists. Bouncer! You guys brought me here just to throw me out?
Wow.
That's so evil! Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and share this video with all of your friends and family. I also want to give a special shout out and thanks to the Odd Ones Out for joining us this time and guest voicing the mighty Martha. That's all for now. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you next time.
We're not going to brunch, are we? I hate brunch.
It literally says the oh. Oh, that's why it's called Martha. Well, so that was quite weird, but at least I understand this is better rather than the last one. So basically, the Justice League is basically the Injustice League in the DCU, and Flash is totally a guy who does not know what he's doing in the Injustice League. And what else? Martha is killed by Superman by Superman snapping his neck, in which he had a lot of problems in the first film. That all basically add up to a very unorganized, messed up league. So, we learned that the Avengers are way better than the Justice League in the DCU. And we also learned that they rush so much. Clearly I want stated from Batman. And also, we got a very good amount of memes thanks to the almighty messed up CGI mob. This movie was a disaster. And if you might be wondering, what will I rate the actual movie Justice League? I think I'll rate it between a 1 to 10, a 5 out of 10. Average film is an average film. It's not a very great film, to be honest. When I watched it the second time, it's not very bad, because even though the CGI was terrible, but I feel like the movie was a bit interesting. But even though the villain just was so boring, so yeah, that's all I rated 5 out of 10 for the film, the actual film. This one is getting a 9 out of 10. It's just difference. That's the difference here. The Justice League and the HISHE Justice League. This is a 9 out of 10. Justice League film, the actual film DCU, is a 5 out of 10. It's an average film. It's if you wanna like if you want a light tone DCU, like if you want to watch a good light tone movie, I think I'll recommend, like for the DCU, I recommend Shazam. I heard that one's very good. So yeah, so that's about it for my reaction for How Should Avenged Justice League. But next time I'll be doing another HISHE DCEU. And yeah, thank you for all for watching. And like always, peace out.